If Calendly is showing an error, an unavailable time slot, or a scheduling issue, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix common Calendly errors step by step. Whether the problem is coming from your calendar connection, your time zone, or your scheduling limits, this guide will help you find the issue and get your booking page working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips and fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Scheduling. This is where you can view and manage the event types that people use to book time with you. Now find the event type that's having the problem. If the issue is only happening with one booking page, it's usually tied to that specific event type, so this is the best place to start. Next, click Preview to open the scheduling page exactly the way your visitors see it. This is important because it lets you test the booking flow from the outside and look for any warning messages, unavailable dates, or strange behavior. On the preview page, look all the way at the bottom for any troubleshoot option. If Calendly offers a troubleshooting link or diagnostic message, use it because it can point you directly to the source of the error. Now let's test the problematic time. If there's a specific date or time slot that is not showing up correctly, select that exact time. Calendly may display a message explaining why the time is unavailable. That could be because of a calendar conflict, a booking rule, a time zone mismatch, or even a connection issue. Make a note of the message or any error code you see, because that will help you understand what needs to be fixed. The next step is to check for calendar conflicts. Go to Availability or your calendar settings. Make sure your connected calendar is properly linked and syncing correctly. If your calendar is disconnected, outdated, or not authorized properly, Calendly may think you're busy when you're actually free. If needed, reconnect or reauthorize the calendar so Calendly can read your availability properly. This is one of the most common reasons scheduling errors happen. After that, go to Account Settings. Open your profile or all settings, then find your time zone setting. A wrong time zone can cause bookings to appear at the wrong time or make certain slots seem unavailable. Choose the correct time zone for your location, save the changes, and then go back to check the booking page again. Even a small time zone mismatch can create confusing scheduling problems, so this step is very important. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to the affected event type and open its availability settings. Here, check for buffer time before or after meetings. Buffer time can block slots that look open at first glance. Also check any booking limits because Calendly may be restricting how many meetings can be booked in a certain time period. If your booking rules are too strict, they may be preventing the time slot from appearing. Adjust these settings if they're getting in the way of the time you want people to book. Once you've gone through these steps, return to the preview page and test the booking time again. If the time now appears correctly, then the error was likely caused by one of those settings. The key is to check each layer one by one: event type, calendar connection, time zone, and scheduling limits. That makes it much easier to find the exact cause instead of guessing. And that's how you fix a Calendly error using the most common troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a follow-up video on more Calendly tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.